Bystander jumps into action and shoots a man he just saw robbing two people.
We first showed you this surveillance video from a gas station in Northwest Houston back in January. New tonight at 10, we have learned that robber might not have been a robber at all.
ABC 13's Luke Jones has a shocking twist that may have uncovered an elaborate plot, Luke.
In the video, it sure looks like that couple's being robbed, but now investigators are saying they were actually working with the robber to stage all of this. Why would they do something like that? Well, prosecutors say it was all part of an elaborate scheme to obtain visas so they could stay in the country. An armed tussle at this Northwest Houston gas station January 27th. A man and woman robbed while pumping gas before a witness jumps out of his car and shoots Rashad Scott dead as he tries to flee. But now new messages coming to light from Scott's phone, messages sent hours and even minutes before the robbery, messages that point to the whole thing being staged. One, allegedly from a man named William Winfrey, reads, quote, "It's the usual gas pump expletive." In another, he writes, "When you done run, make all the expletive to look real." What's more, investigators say they found a selfie from one of the victims on Scott's phone. Police now say those victims were in on it. All so they could file a police report and use their crime victim status to apply for a UVISA.
The person qualifies for a work permit while they are waiting for a resolution of the case.
Sylvia Mintz is an attorney specializing in immigration law. She says the UVISA is something that comes up a lot when meeting with potential clients.
So they say, okay, so what would happen if somebody beat me up, or if I was a victim of domestic violence?
Each time, she says she has to turn them away. But police say others are clearly moving forward with their fake crime schemes. Both Scott and Winfrey, who's now charged with murder in Scott's death, have been implicated in a number of fake robberies dating back to 2023. One of them a day before the January gas station shooting. Police say Winfrey sent Scott to rob a cashier at this Northeast Houston convenience store. A cashier, they say, was also in on the scheme.
People don't realize the big mess they are getting into by lying and making things up.
Because if immigration officials find out you lied, you could be banned from the country permanently.
Lots of things to uncover about this video. It blows my mind. But some of the highlights that I'm going to touch on is, one, the fact that people are reducing themselves to commit these crimes so they can get paid. Like, that's their hustle. That's their job. It's sad. But I was there at one point in my life. So I'm not judging, but still, it's sad. The other part is this person was unalived in this staged robbery. It wasn't even real. They were doing it all to stay in the United States of America and for money. And so it's sad that all this information was uncovered, it came out, and this was all a botched robbery. Then the other part of this is it gives immigration a black eye. Like, it straight up hurts immigration lawyers who are trying to defend people who claim to be victims of crimes here in the United States of America. So maybe there's going to be a huge magnifying glass on those who are petitioning, who are applying for UVISA. Why? They want to see, well, what's the details of the crime, who was there, witness statements. They're going to dig deeper to see if this was a legit violent offense that you are a victim of. And so it just hurts the community. This is not the first case. There's several that have come out. I'll probably post another video about this. This is not a one-off situation. This happens all the time, and people are getting caught all the time. Giving UVISA a black eye, immigration law, immigration a black eye altogether. Tell me what your thoughts are in the comments below.